Is CT Plus a very good lotion for brightening the skin? Is CT Plus a very good lotion for clearing problems on the skin? Is CT Plus one of the best lotion for lightening or whitening the skin? In this video, I'm going to dive deep in everything that you need to know about CT Plus Lotion. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys what CT Plus Lotion is. I'm going to share with you guys the ingredients that is used to formulate CT Plus Lotion. I'm going to share with you guys the type of skin types that are supposed to use CT Plus. I'll also go ahead and share with you guys the reason why you should use CT Plus. I will go deep into it and show you how you should use CT Plus and also the side effects of using CT Plus. Beautiful people, my name is Edem, and this is a skincare channel where we share reviews on all skincare products. Okay, so if you are new here, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be able to receive a notification from me. Okay, and if you are a return subscriber, I would like to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you for coming back to this channel. So my lovely people, CT Plus is one of the active whitening or brightening lotion that's really lighting the skin within some number of days, like from 7 days to 14 days. It's a very quick action working lotion. Okay, and the ingredients that are used to formulate CT Plus are carrots. It involves hydroquine, vitamin E, AHA, citric acid, ecogic acid, fragrance, and water. Okay, it's a very strong lightening lotion that works very fast on the skin. Okay, and CT Plus lotion is not recommended for all skin types. CT Plus lotion is a very fast lightening lotion that works very quick on the skin, and this is how CT Plus lotion is. It's a very strong whitening product. I want us to see how it is in the bottle. There is no oil in it. It's very strong. Sorry, this is how it is. It's very strong, and when I applied it on my skin, I feel a bit of burns on my skin because of the hydroquine inside. This is how it is. It's one of the best lightening lotion that works within some number of days. Okay, and CT Plus lotion is not recommended for everybody. Please take notes. CT Plus lotion is not recommended for everybody. CT Plus lotion is recommended for dry skin people. It's recommended for a normal skin people. It's not even recommended for a combination skin, and it's not recommended for a sensitive skin, and it's not recommended for an oily skin person. Okay, you need to know your skin type first before you can use CT Plus lotion because of the hydroquine inside. So when you are using it, you should be very careful when using CT Plus lotion. It's a very strong brightening lotion, okay, and it's very good for nourishing the skin. I'm sharing with you guys the reason why you should use CT Plus lotion. It's very good for nourishing the skin. It's very good for lightening the skin within 7 to 14 days. It's very good for brightening the skin. It's very good for making the skin very smooth and soft, and it's whitening the skin as well. CT Plus is not for dark skin people. So if you have a very dark skin like this beautiful lady and you use CT Plus lotion, you end up having dark knuckles on your skin, or you even end up having white dots on your skin because of the hydroquine inside. So if you are a dark skin person, you are a caramel skin person, please do not use CT Plus lotion. And then know your skin type first thing before using CT Plus lotion. And I want to show you how you should use CT Plus lotion. CT Plus is a very strong whitening lotion. So Get a very nice body oil, or you can even get shea butter or Vaseline. Mix it with it very well to bring down the hydroquin inside. Then after that, you can apply it on the skin so that you wouldn't end up facing any challenge on the skin. But if you use it alone, if you use the CT Plus lotion alone, you'll be facing a lot of problem. As I've applied it on my skin, I can feel severe burns on my skin. Yes, it's very strong. It's very strong, and it's not recommended for kids. Do not use CT Plus lotion for your child. Do not use CT Plus lotion for your child. Please don't even try it to use it for the child. Okay, protect the skin from the sun when you are using CT Plus body lotion. Okay, and the side effect is that it gives stretch marks on the skin. Okay, that is when you use the lotion alone, and it gives dark knuckles. Okay, it gives white dots on the skin, it gives dark spots on the skin, it gives green veins. That is the most dangerous side effect of using CT Plus. It gives green veins. Okay, do not use it and expose the body under the sun. You will end up having uneven toned skin. You will damage and destroy the skin. Okay, so if you don't want to have all these challenges or the side effect that I've mentioned above, please make sure you get a good oil or a good serum. Mix it with CT Plus lotion. Let the oil be plenty than the lotion itself, so that it will bring down the hydroquin inside. First thing before you can apply it on the skin. Okay, CT Plus is a very fast whitening lotion. It's a very strong whitening lotion, and it works within 7 to 14 days. Okay, so if you have ever used CT Plus lotion, you can share your experience with me, and also share your testimony with me as well. It's good for lightening the skin, it's good for whitening the skin. It's not recommended for all skin type, it's not recommended for kids. Stay away from CT Plus lotion if you don't want to have issue with dark knuckles, stretch marks, green veins, dark spots, and white dot. If you want to use CT Plus lotion, please use it only at night. Don't use it during the daytime and expose the body under the sun. Otherwise, you will destroy the skin. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you, and bye-bye.